McDonald's a story time. Yes. He said this morning somebody called me. Big up on a nice clean self. You know, we are Jamaican. Me are Jamaican. And sometimes we chat people. Me no care when no Jamaican want to say, then chat people. You know, me used to tell me fool myself and say, you know, say me no chat people. But I could have even my pitney or my husband sometimes me hear some things and me go tell them. Me not have no only a friend where me and them lock up and a chat and a gossip. I mean, not like people come on my phone and chat and gossip people. Seriously. But, you know, we do chat people. Anyway, this morning somebody called me. I want to share that saga. Yeah, we don't know. The person don't watch my place, me a man. So he now gonna know say me chatting business. And the man called me, right? I mean him a reason until he might tell me about one story. Me tell him for come here. Me tell him say me want to record him. Because him know say me record, but him don't really watch my channel. And I said, I want to record you and tell me these things. And he said, no, no, no. Them are going to hear my voice and them are going to know, say I me. Anyways, him tell me, say him they live with him baby mother, right? And when him just go to go live with him, when he just go live with him baby mother at Jamaica, him baby mother tell him about these two friends where she have. One of them, he say, him not telling lie, she did very, very sexy. And you know, man and man, them a go say whatever. And he said she did have another big woman friend where she a big woman, never really film type, but she did still look good. All right. So in baby mother gone, um, gone take care of business. She did gone on the road one day. And the girl live cross way from the baby mother, you know. And no said the baby mother never did it. And she put on one little piece of skirt, like one little piece of skirt each up underneath her bottom, come over the house and come and knock and ask see her friend. And she knows so the friend never did it, you know. And gone in a fridge. And so here the man to me, you know, say she carry the post come give me that man in there. The way how she da go on, me say she did tell us that him say no. But I know the first time, and more than one time she did it and she know say her friend not there because them very close. So that was the story with the first one. The one him say she shape good, she well full out, and she look good. Nice, shine, nice down and everything. And him say, with the second one, so me ask him if he did go there. Him say no. And me I go tell you what him say. Um, him say the big woman one now, she literally I beg him to come do it with her. Him say she a beg him. And she say and him say she did sick. And now him realize why she did a beg him because it's like she know say she a go and she just want to do what she want to do. And like maybe like 2 years later the lady passed, you know, but she did sick. Not sickness where him can't catch or anything like that, you know. Diabetes and some potential thing where she'd have a go on with her body. So it's like the lady knows that she never da go make it. So it's like she ready to mash up the people in relationship. She said the woman a beg him said the woman a beg him to come give her. She really want him to come give her, you know? And I'm like, damn. And him say them a friend, you know, him girlfriend and the woman them a friend. Turn to the person and I say, listen to me. This is why I don't want a woman in my yard. You see, a Jamaican, I know Jamaican alone, but me listen to other people talk some things and you can't trust female, you can't trust some man you can't trust them neither, you know. Him say him tell him baby mother, you know, but him tell him baby mother when the lady pass. And me said, did you sleep with any of them? Don't lie to me, cause you know nothing for lie, me no know your baby mother, blah blah blah. Him said no, but me I tell you the story. If me did do it, me would I tell you, cause you know me and the person close. He said, me could I tell you, cause me no know it's not like me know who him attack. Me no know him attack. So I'm saying, if me did do it, me would I tell you. But let me tell you one thing with me. This is what the man say. And this is what I want to point out to some man. And me observe him for that. The man say, listen to me, Dana. Um, when me go live with my baby mother, the baby mother tell me say, him and them two woman here a friend. Right? So it's like she literally tell me, say them two women here, they off the market if me I got cheat. I have to at least respect that. I have to at least, even though the woman a throw herself for me and I say she nah go talk and she nah go tell, she nah go tell her nothing, she nah go tell him baby mother nothing. This are just between the two of them, blah blah blah. I said, no. Him no know how he would have feeling himself. And I know in any man's case, I'm saying no know how he would have feeling himself if he did do that because he would have want him baby mother to respect him. So he might do the same. He now go step on our feelings them weird day. Yo, how much man out there can say that? How much man out there? I mean, Jaja, they say when me I listen to the story and the man said no, at least, oh God, she literally tell me say them two woman here is our friend. When a woman says some certain things to you, pay attention. We could have never do it. In something could have never stand up for them girls. They are mad. We couldn't do it. We would have beat her big time. No. Even woman would have do it to them man. And for know say a man actually read into things like that. Or you would have feel if you know say your partner sleep with your best friend. Eh? Or you would have feel our best friend I push himself upon the man. And I tell him same now go tell the woman. She now go tell him woman. Come man. You can't come really want blah blah blah. Somebody else not out there, your friend, man. That's why you can't trust bitches. You can't trust woman. You can't have woman up in your place all both and them something there. Anyways, me do that already still, but I'm just saying. Because me know the kind of person when me have, and that doesn't mean say you won't do certain things, but me know the kind of person when me I talk to. And I know like a young person that a mature man. You understand him is a mature man. So me not worry about them thing and if me pick up, let me tell him he's a woman who can read the room. Me can see when tension shift. Me pay attention to certain things. You understand? If me know say me and your friend and you come around me and me see you start to act a different way. Me know when tension shift. Me no stupid. But that me say me want tell him, me say me have to come tell him because me I beg him to come tell me the story. But he basically tell me the story and that when me share we don't know. But this morning me I feel pretty man a different way and me I said, Jano, you know that man here is a good man. He is a good man. And let me tell you something. Good man out there. Good man out there. Of course, good man out there. And me I tell you, say, me have to say, I'm proud of you. He say, he something could have never. He say, more than one time, the girl come over there. In a look up, he say something itch up underneath her bottom. And come and ask your friend. Like, you have your friend number. You live across the road from your friend. You and your friend talk. You know the schedule where your friend have. Is a routine where the girl do every single day. Me not go talk what she do cause people can pick up, you understand? But it's a routine and she knows that the woman gone pan her routine every single day. She knows that the woman gone pan her routine. But she come and ask her in a skirt itch up right up underneath her bottom. Yeah. And come and open up fridge and just a go on and a go on and a talk like say you want the man to go hold you and take it. At so woman tan. If they like somebody, then flirt with them. So you have to be careful. And your friends them where you keep. Mercy, me say me. I say me not like well if a woman in a my space. Me no want a woman up in a my space. No. No. Me not trust no woman like that up in a my space so much. I don't want a woman up in a my space. That's why I choose my friend and I trust them from my heart, the kind of person when me want around me in my environment. No, sir. It's enough for quick to trust people. Anyways, Madonna, big up on yourself. I wanna please don't forget to hit the like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Me not understand why I wanna not hit the like button. Why what? Why I couldn't not hit the like button? Wanna feel like it gonna make me better? I wanna know why me feel better. Hit the like button, man. I wanna stop going so. I wanna stop it. I wanna watch the video, but I wanna not hit the like button. Eh? I wanna if video not interested. Me boring. Anyways, my love you know. Mwah.